Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in the sixth in the series. I hope you are enjoying this series, and obviously, it is not for entertainment, as I have said earlier. The videos will be long. Normally, in this generation, what we are seeing that we do not have patience more than 30 seconds. We are very addicted to the reels, so watching these videos is a bit difficult, I understand, but this is necessary. Okay, so this is really necessary because you need to know it. It is as simple as that. No alternatives. Okay, that is what you need to understand. No matter who you are, no matter what your age is, no matter what religion or culture you belong to, doesn't matter. The energies do not discriminate. The energies are working in the way they should work. Okay, it works for everyone. So make sure you understand the energies and utilize them for your growth, for your friends, for your family's growth and well-being. Now, from well-being, let us talk about the direction or the energy field which governs our immunity, which governs our health, because nowadays most of us are concerned about the health, right? So this is very important when it comes to our parents. So we are normally very concerned about the health of them. So please understand these energies so that you can utilize it better. Okay, so welcome. This is north of northeast. This is very crucial. There is another direction which is the northeast or northeast direction, which is very critical and very what should I say, very deadly if there is an imbalance in that particular direction. But the north of northeast, it normally defines your immunity, your health, your normal health problems, which are normally not deadly. Okay, so let us talk about that, then we'll go to the northeast direction afterwards. Okay, so I'll just share my presentation. Okay, the software crashed. Let me continue. Let me just switch off the camera. Let's now talk about north of northeast, right? So this is the direction which is again governed by the water element, as you can see from here, right? North of northeast, it is falling in this particular slot, 22.5 degrees. And now let us see the characteristics of the energies. So health, so it's kind of an hospital. Understand it like a hospital in your house. Okay, so again, fire and earth element are the anti-elements in this particular direction. By anti-color, I also mean anti-elements. Okay, now see, if there is a toilet in this direction, what will happen? You can have serious diseases. Okay, might not be deadly but serious. So it is better to remove. Why do you need to experiment with health? There is no compromise when it comes to health, right? So I will give you remedy, but the remedy is simple. As you know, put a blue tape. You try to cut the energies of that particular negative zone, or use an aluminum strip. But still, I recommend you better to move it from that particular zone. Okay, because it concerns your health. So first, health is the most important wealth, right? Jobs will come and go. Okay, attraction will come and go, but if health is gone, then finished. So you must be very aware if there is any imbalances in this particular direction. Okay, so you better try to move it from this particular zone, north of northeast, if there is toilet seat. Moreover, if there is a kitchen, try to move it again. Again, fire element, do not try to play with it. Okay, you can put a green slab under the stove, but still I will suggest move it from there. Do not take any risk. And the next thing is bedroom. See, understand it through logic. I told you this is kind of a hospital in your house. So when do you go to the hospital? Whenever you are ill, right? So whenever there is a ill member in your house who is suffering from some disease or suffering from fever or likewise, let him or her sleep in this particular area. Okay, but for temporary purpose till he or she is healed. Okay, for fast recovery you can sleep here, but once you are healed, what happens? Suppose you are ill, you went to the hospital and you have healed, still you are staying in the hospital. What will happen? After some days, the environment will make you ill again, isn't it? So similar concept here. Remember it like this. It is a hospital. You only go there for long term when you are ill. Otherwise, go away from there. Once you are fit, just move from there. Do not stay here for long term. Yes, for old people who needs continuous healing, who continuously suffer from diseases, they can sleep over here. Otherwise, healthy person should not be sleeping in this particular slot. You will have health issues. Okay, and if you are ill, sleep here for 2 weeks max. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks max, then move. This is just for fast recovery, because these the energies in this particular direction is a healing energy. Okay, healing energy, anything if it is more than balanced will create problems. So do not stay here for long. If you have a temple, you can put it, you can place a temple over here. For health reasons it is very good, but make sure there is no red color. Normally in our Hindu culture we put red color cloth in our temple, right? So avoid that. You can place the temple, but if you have to place it here, and please make sure you are not using red cloth or red color things in this particular temple. Okay, so you know the anti elements, anti colors. So be very aware when this particular direction is imbalanced. Okay, and implicitly understand that the colors will matter. If there is a red color wall or red yellow color wall in this particular direction, so that will create problems. Remove it. Make it off white. Let it be off white. Make the entire house off white, or whatever color you use, try to use a light color throughout the entire house. That will neutralize it. That is a better choice. Okay, you will see um, the houses of the really big persons who are big shots. They normally have a very light shade of color, which is same for the entire house. And yes, if you want a blue color or black color, you can put it in the corresponding direction. but do not use an anti color. That is a problem. Okay, so this is my suggestion, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.